Welcome to this deep dive into Android architecture, where we will explore the key differences between the MVVM and MVI design patterns. What is the real difference between these two patterns? Is MVI just an evolution of MVVM, or is it a fundamentally different approach to handling data? Let's break it down. MVVM, or Model-View-ViewModel, separates UI logic into three distinct layers. Its view model acts as an observer-friendly bridgeend, typically involves multiple state streams, focusing heavily on data binding. In MVVM, the view notifies the view model of events via direct function calls. The view model then updates individual state flow variables. The view observes multiple properties, making the communication feel bidirectional. MVI, or Model View Intent, is defined by two core characteristics: a strict unidirectional flow and a single state. Users emit intents, which produce a single immutable state object for the entire screen, preventing contradictory states. The MVI lifecycle involves the intent, which is the user's desire to act. The model processes this intent and emits a new state. The view then passively renders this single state. Crucially, the state is immutable and must be replaced entirely for updates. The key architectural shifts compare MVVM's bidirectional, loose unidirectional data flow with MVI's strict unidirectional data flow. MVVM uses multiple fragmented state streams and direct function calls, while MVI relies on a single source of truth state and intent objects for events. When comparing the learning curve to scale, MVVM is often simpler and suitable for 80% of apps. MVI, however, provides a unified source of truth, making it easier to debug and scale complex UIs, as it often stated that MVVM is easier to start, but MVI is easier to debug at scale. Here is a side-by-side comparison. MVVM uses a fragmented state structure with simple unit tests. MVI provides a unified state structure and highly predictable state tests, but requires more boilerplate code, such as reducers and intents. When assessing suitability with Jetpack Compose, MVVM excels in ease of use. MVI scores higher in state predictability and complex Compose UI scenarios, thanks to its single, unified state model. Choose MVVM for simple screens, or if you are new to architecture. Choose MVI for complex state logic, or when you need absolute predictability. A hybrid approach uses MVVM for settings or lists and MVI for dynamic dashboards.